Welcome to CIS 102. Today we'll be using Cisco's Packet Tracer and we'll be performing an initial router configuration. In this activity we will use the Cisco IOS CLI to apply an initial configuration to a router including hostname, passwords, a message of the day, banner, and other basic settings. Step 1, configure the router hostname. On customer PC, use the terminal emulation. Located here. This connects us to the console of the customer Cisco i1841 ISR router. We're going to set the host name on the router to customer router by using these commands. So enter a couple times. We're going to hit enable, config your terminal, and on this one we're going to put host name customer router. Next we're going to configure the privilege mode and secret passwords. In global configuration mode, set the password to Cisco. So I'm going to type enable password Cisco. Set an encrypted privileged password to Cisco 123 using the secret command. So we're going to enable secret Cisco 123 and enter. Next we're going to configure the console password. In global configuration mode, switch to line configuration mode to specify the console line. So line console 0. Enter. Set the password to Cisco 123. Require that the password be entered at login and then exit the configuration mode. So from here we're going to type password Cisco 123 and login, exit. Next we're going to configure the VTY password to allow telnet access to the router. In global configuration mode, switch to line configuration mode to specify the VTY lines. Line VTY 04. Set the password to Cisco 123. Require that the password be entered at login, exit configuration mode, and then exit the configuration session. Cisco 123, enter, login, enter, exit. Next we're going to configure password encryption, a message of the day banner, and turn off domain server lookup. Currently the line passwords and the enable password are shown in clear text when you show the running configuration. Verify this now by entering the show running config command. To avoid the security risk of someone looking over your shoulder and reading the passwords, encrypt all clear text passwords. So from here we're going to type in service password hyphen encryption. Okay. You can now use the show running config command to verify the passwords are encrypted. To provide a warning when someone attempts to log into the router, configure the message of the day banner. Banner MOTD space authorized Okay. Test the banner and passwords. Log out of the router by typing exit command twice. The banner displays before the prompt for a password. Enter the password to log back into the router. Okay, now we're back in. You may have noticed that when you entered the command incorrectly at the user privilege exec prompt, the router pauses while trying to locate an IP address for the mistyped word you entered. For example, this output shows what happens when the enable command is mistyped. So it looks like this. To prevent this from happening, use the following command to stop all DNS lookups from the router CLI. We're going to type in we're going to come over here. Okay, from here we're going to type in no. Let's see here. Okay. Conf T. We're going to type in no IP domain lookup. Save the running configuration to the startup configuration by typing end copy run start. Okay. I'm going to verify the configuration. We're going to log out of our terminal session with the 1841 customer router. And we're going to log into the Cisco 1841 router. Enter the console password when prompted. And we're going to navigate to privilege exec mode. Enter the privilege exec password when prompted. So let's verify if this works. One, two, three. Everything has worked. So this completes this exercise.